HISD will now spend millions of dollars buying rifles, ammo, and shields for their district police department.
It comes exactly a week after the HISD superintendent told the board police were not prepared to take out an active shooter. Marcelina Benito is live from HISD headquarters tonight with reaction from teachers and police on the board approving the purchase. Marcelina, what happens now?
Well, Mia, all that tactical gear should arrive here at HISD within 3 to 6 weeks. Last night's board vote was a significant step forward for school security for this district, but not everybody was on board.
You can turn HISD into the military and still not prevent a single school shooting.
Emotions running high at HISD last night.
The emotion comes when you think about looking at your child in a casket.
As trustees debated how best to keep students and teachers safe.
Uvalde police were locked and loaded to the teeth. They prevented nothing.
If the rifles will slow someone down to allow someone to come in and rescue children, I'm all for it.
The board divided, but ultimately approving $2.3 million to purchase hundreds of rifles, shields, and ammunition and other gear for district police.
It's not about militarizing our campuses. It's about being prepared for the most difficult situations.
The vote coming a week after Superintendent Millard House II told the board police were not prepared to respond to an active shooter.
Officers are ready to enter, and they will enter the school and the classroom in case of an active shooter, in the event that we never want to happen. But this decision tonight will help us get the tools necessary to, when we come across those obstacles, we could breach the door, break the windows, and get in there and save lives faster than we could without the equipment.
The teachers union applauding the board's decision.
From the teachers that I have spoken to last night and this morning, there is a little sense of security now because they know that at least someone has the ability to protect them against an intruder with an assault rifle.
A majority of speakers last night spoke out against spending millions on police gear. They told the board there are more pressing needs for school security, but the teachers union says this is a strong start.
But we can't stop and just say that's not what we want in our schools. No, none of us want it. But I want to know that my grandkids are going to come home from school every day too.
Now, this is just one part of beefing up school security here in HISD. The district tells me they plan to bring in outside groups to conduct an extensive security audit. The board hopes to review those findings sometime in October.